Major benefits of ginger for body and brain. As one of the most used dietary condiments in the world today, it's no wonder that the benefits of ginger are pretty impressive. 1. With its zesty, peppery flavor and its extensive list of health benefits, ginger root is equal parts delicious and nutritious. It's versatile, easy to use and has been associated with everything from beating motion sickness to better brain function. The health benefits of ginger are largely due to its antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties and content of therapeutic compounds like gingerol, shogaol, paradol and zingerone. So what is ginger good for and how can you incorporate it into your diet? Available in fresh, dried, ground, capsule and juice form, ginger root is easy to add to the diet and can have a lasting impact on just about every aspect of health. Ready to give it a shot? Here's what you need to know about this superstar ingredient and how to take advantage of its unique benefits.